Hi, this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. So guys, today we are going to discuss various types of supports and types of loads. See, whenever we define a beam, we can say beam is a structural member which is supported at some points and which bears the load. Now these supports and loads may be of different types. There are total 4 types of supports: simple support, roller support, hinge support and fixed support. Simple support is represented by a single triangle, and when we draw free body diagram of simple support, we take one vertical reaction. Roller support is represented by a triangle with roller or simply a roller on a surface. You can see in the diagram. In this case also we take one vertical reaction. Hinge support is represented by hatching line below the triangle or a simple pin. That's why it is also known as pin joint, a circle with a pin. It is also known as hinge joint or pin joint, or hinge support or pin support. So whenever we have hinge support, we take one vertical reaction and one horizontal reaction while drawing the free body diagram of this support. Then we have fixed support. You can see in case of a beam with vertical hatching, this is called fixed support. So when we have a fixed support, we draw one vertical reaction, one horizontal reaction and one movement, RAH, RAV and MA. So you have to learn that which type of support is represented in which way, and when we draw free body diagram, what reaction we have to take. So in case of simple support and roller support, we have to take one vertical reaction. In case of hinge support, we take one vertical and one horizontal reaction. And in case of fixed support, we take one vertical, one horizontal reaction and one movement. So this is all about types of forces, types of supports. Now we will discuss types of loads. First one is point load. A point load is a load which acts at a particular point of the beam. As you can see in the diagram, we have a beam AB. At the point A, we have simple support. At end B, we have roller support. And at point C, we have a point load of W kilonewton. So when the load acts at a particular point of beam, this is called point load. Now in case of point load, if we want to calculate the reactions, we have to draw the free body diagram of this beam. So in case of simple support, we take one vertical reaction. In case of roller support, we take one vertical reaction. That is, we will take RA and RB reactions at point A and B, and W is acting vertically downward. We will apply now conditions of equilibrium: sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0 and sigma m equal to 0, and we can calculate the value of reactions RA and RB. Now second one is uniformly distributed load. If the load is equally distributed over the entire length of beam, then it is called uniformly distributed load, or UDL. It is represented by a simple rectangle with arrows downward or a spring. Suppose the intensity of load is W kilonewton per meter and it is acting at L meter. So when we draw free body diagram of this beam, we take the total load as W into L, intensity multiplied by length, and this total load will act at half of the length. Now third one, uniformly varying load, or UVL. This load is also known as triangular load. If the load varies uniformly with length, then this is called uniformly varying load. You can see in the diagram, we have a triangular load or uniformly varying load of intensity W kilonewton per meter, and it is acting at length L. So when we draw free body diagram of UBL, we take total load is equal to 1 by 2 W into L, and this load will act at 2/3 of length from the vertex. You can see vertex is at point A, so this load will act at 2L by 3 from A point and L by 3 from the B point. So these are the various types of loads. In our next lecture, we will discuss how to calculate the value of support reactions in these types of beams and loads. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone.